Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by assembling a dough that favors moisture. Use 1 cup brown sugar and 1/2 cup granulated sugar to keep chew and retain syrupy moisture. Cream 1 cup butter with the sugars until smooth. Add 2 large eggs one at a time to incorporate air but preserve density. Stir in 1 teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon vanilla to enhance sweetness and moisture. Fold in 2 cups flour and 1 teaspoon baking soda gently. Do not overmix. Add 1 cup chocolate chips and refrigerate the dough for 30 to 60 minutes. Scoop dough into 2 tablespoon portions and slightly flatten each ball so the center remains thicker than the edges. This produces a gooey core and crisp rim. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees F and bake for 8 to 10 minutes. Time depends on oven and cookie size, so watch closely. Rotate the tray at about 5 minutes for even browning. Remove cookies when centers look glossy, but edges are set. Carryover heat will finish them. Cool for 2 minutes on the sheet before transferring to a rack to preserve gooiness. For extra gooiness, add 2 tablespoons corn syrup or 1 extra egg yolk to the dough to increase chew and moisture without thinning the batter. Chill dough for 30 to 60 minutes. This prevents overspread and concentrates flavors while keeping centers soft. If you prefer softer cookies after cooling, place them in an airtight container with a slice of bread for 1 to 2 days. The bread returns moisture by simple humidity exchange. Reheat single cookies 6 to 8 seconds in a 900W microwave for that.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.